Right, so I'm going to be unboxing and assembling a Ryobi 10-inch drill press. It was 148 bucks, down from 199, so chances are it's not going to be too clever, but we shall see and we shall learn together. Right. Let's have a look. So looking at the box, she's going to need building and putting together. That's why it's so cheap. Instructions. Going to need them. So instructions, let's have a look. Ryobi operates manual 10-inch drill press. Got me reading goggles on, number 2. So I'm 52 years old now and I'm going blind. So never leave home without them. Assembly 9 and 10. Assembly. Right, so the assembly is just in. There's no pictures for wombats like me. It's just in writing, so. Look. Loosen the table lock handle. So I suppose first things first, unwrap it. Seems pretty solid, but you know, they don't mean crap. So I suppose that's the table. Stand. I suppose worst way, you've always got the picture on there. In the box as well. Right, so that looks like that goes. Right. 3 bolts. I suppose they've got to go in now. You know what? Bolts. I suppose it matters what way round this goes, but We'll see. Instructions. Who needs them? That's the Chuck Norris. Right. Now this little beauty has got to go on now. So I presume this little fucker has got to come out. Instructions, Jesus. Loosen the table lock handle. Rotate the table to the desired position. Retighten the table lock handle. I don't know what that means. Interesting. So that must go on now. And then this little effer has got to go in now. Right. So that goes there, I suppose. Jesus. Rotate the table to the desired position, retighten the table lock handle. Installing and removing bits. Unplug the drill press. Fucking hell, I know how to do that. Mounting the drill press. Installing chuck and place the head assembly upside down on a level flat surface. Position chuck on spindle. Chuck should be fully open to avoid damaging jowls. Using a piece of scrap wood to protect. Oh, for fuck's sake. Loosen set screw in the column collar. Remove the column collar and gear track from the column and set aside. Clean the spindle with a degreaser before installing the chuck into the head. Locate the worm gear and feed the D shaft. Fuck, it would help if there was a picture. They're there for fucking dancing. Nakaini. Right. Bob's your uncle. Locate the worm gear and feed the D shaft through the hole into the table assembly. Install table adjustment handle over the end of the D shaft so that the flat side of the shaft aligns with the set screw. Install table adjustment handle over the end of the D shaft so that the flat side of the fucking bills. Right. So that's that. You're going back on there. Going to tighten you up. That way you can't come out. Right. She's a bit loose. Like a prick in a shirt sleeve. Anyway. Right. Using both hands, slide the entire table assembly and gear rack onto the column until the bottom of the gear rack is positioned in the base collar and against the column. Done. Slide the column roller beveled side down over the column until the beveled side engages the bevel end of the gear track. Tighten the set screw and the collar. You should be able to move the table from side to side. Pretty much. Locate the table lock handle, insert it into the threaded hole at the rear of the table by your wee hand. Done. Mounting the drill press. If the drill press is to be used in a permanent location, secure it to a workbench or other stable surface. If the drill press is to be used as a portable tool, fasten it permanently to a mounted board. Oh, like a bit of plywood. Mark holes on... Right, so chuck. So the chuck just fucking bangs on. Yep, no screw or anything. Right. So now that has got to go on there. So let's see if I can't get it on my back, smashing the fucking thing up. Right, so there's a screw on the side to tighten her up. Make sure she's straight, I suppose. Right. 3 knobs. Well, first impressions, not bad for the money. I don't know what I expected for $148. This is obviously entry level. You can go right the way up to, well, however far you want to go basically. But for what I'm going to be using it for, which is basically drilling pen blanks and stuff, she seems alright. And if this time next year, Rodney, I'm a millionaire, I should be treating myself to something a bit fancier. But at the moment, because I live in Skintsville, Tennessee, she'll do. Right, let's plug her in. Bit of juice. So that's what. temporary power, obviously. This will be a lot neater. Glasses on, in case something flies at me. Ooh. Yeah. Not sure about the wire, but I'll have to cable tie that. Out the way, because, you know, why not? I didn't actually see this set up, so this is the first time I'm seeing it. A little bit Eve Robinson, but yeah, whatever. It's got a little arm for the chuck. Bush, like that. So it's only got a 2-inch drill. You can only drill 2 inches at a time, so that should be alright. So basically, these might as well be written in Swahili because that's how good they are. If you've got an ounce of salve, just do it yourself. But for the money, not bad. So this, let's have a little go of her. That's a bit of a fucking nightmare, that it's only got a 2-inch. So basically, yeah, she's going to have to be bolted down as well. For 148 bucks, I suppose the question is, what do you expect? It's not bad. The tape looks a bit pissed, but it ain't bad. Yeah, do what I gotta do, so. Little bunches at the top. Plastic wheels, which I was warned against because apparently you're better off with the, so you adjust it yourself for speed. And I suppose I don't really want to touch that, but that's something, yeah, well, I'll have to read up about that, but the speed it's at would do me. Yeah, very plastic, very I don't know, I don't want to be rude, but it sort of sums up 148 bucks to me. But you know what? For that sort of money, yeah, do what I want it to do. So, how bad? That's it. Just as a little add-on, just realised this is what happens when you don't read the instructions. We've got a laser, bush, 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 and we've got a light, bush, 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 bush. So, not bad.